Welcome back to Code India. In our last video, we created the code for our library management app, but code needs a place to live. Today, we are building that home. We are creating your first Frappe site. First, let's understand the concept. What is a site? Think of a Frappe site as the digital foundation for your application. It is a self-contained unit with its own database where your app lives and runs. Key takeaway. Each site comes with a unique database, and we install apps onto these sites. Here is our roadmap. We have a 4-step journey to a live site. Create the site, access it in the browser, install your app, log in to the desk. Step 1. Create the foundation. Open your terminal inside the Frappe bench directory and run this command. Bench new site library.localhost. The system will ask for your MariaDB root password. That's the one you set during installation. Then, it will ask you to set a password for the administrator user. Do not forget this password. You will need it to log in. While that creates, let's look at the anatomy of your new site. Inside the sites folder, you will see library.localhost. The public folder holds files accessible without login, like images. The private folder keeps your backups and sensitive user files safe. And site.config.json is the brain. It holds your database credentials. Step 2. Access. To view this site in your browser, we need to map the domain name. Run this command to automatically update your host's file. Bench site library.localhost add to hosts. Now, you can open your browser and go to http://library.localhost:8000. Step 3. If you look at the site now, it's just the basic framework. We need to install our library management app. Run this command. Bench site library.localhost install app library management. Pro tip: you can verify it worked by listing the installed apps using the command shown on screen. Step 4. Login and launch. Go back to your browser. Your username is administrator. The password is the one you set in step 1. Click login. Complete the one-time setup wizard. And congratulations, you're in. You have successfully built the foundation. Here's a quick cheat sheet of the commands we used today. Pause the video here if you need to copy them. In the next video, we will finally start building the actual features of our library app. This is Code India. Let's build something amazing together.